Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will study HTML headings, that is part 5 of HTML tutorial series. Last time we had some issues with the quotes. We were here that in some situations when the attribute value itself contains double quotes, then it is necessary to use single quotes. Example was that in the paragraph tag we have title John Shotgun Nelson. So we are going to see this example over here. Suppose I will write it again over here. Suppose we have a paragraph tag and here we will use title attribute and give it the value as John single quotes shotgun single quotes and Smith, suppose, and paragraph tag and over here, and I would write as this is my paragraph. Okay, control S. Now we are seeing that in the title attribute we have written the value as this. This is one case. We will save it and we will view it in our web browser. Reload. This is my paragraph and I am, yes, we get it over here, John Shotgun Smith. You see that shotgun is present in single quotes over here and John and Smith are present as it is over here. So this is also the way of using the attribute value, and another way is using single quotes if some text inside the full title value is should be highlighted or should be represented separately. We will use for the whole string single quotes, then for that single particular thing we will use double quotes to show or to represent it in a more clear way. So we will reload our page and we will see that change. Yes, here we get John Shotgun Smith. Shotgun is present in double quotes over here. So this is the way we use double quotes in our attribute value. So you have to remember this aspect in your mind, but it is recommended to always use double quotes. This is the case in which we use single quotes, right? Okay, this is clear. Then we are coming towards HTML headings, that is part 5 of our series. And okay, headings, as we already know that they are used in this way, H1 to H6, larger headings to smaller headings, right? Don't use headings to make text big or bold. Just use H1 to H6 for the heading purpose. Don't use it for making the text big or bold. Rather, you can use the tag strong. We will discuss that in detail onwards, right? Then HTML horizontal. HTML horizontal tag is presented as HR tag and it is used to define change in an HTML page. It is defines a thematic break in an HTML page and is most often displayed as a horizontal rule. It would like make the horizontal division or the horizontal section of the complete web page and defines the sections of that page. We are going to see the practical example for this purpose of HR horizontal. In the same page I am going to make this change. HTML tag is over here, head tag, body tag is over here, and I'm going to write it over here, heading 1. This is first heading, right? And paragraph, this is first paragraph. Okay, then I would use HR tag, then I would make copying this section again, H2, suppose, Control S. So we would see that on the web page, on the browser, this would be one section, whole section. Then HR, the horizontal line would be created due to HR, and this would be the second section of the page. You will analyze it in the browser this way. This complete is the first portion, and this is the second portion, and due to HR tag you are getting this horizontal line in a clear way. So it is dividing the whole web page. So this is the purpose of an HR tag. So moving onwards, HTML head element. Head element has nothing to do with headings. You have already seen it only contains the HTML meta tag. HTML metadata is the data about the HTML element. General thing, HTML metadata is data about HTML document. Metadata typically defines document title, character set, styles, links, scripts, etc. and etc. You are viewing in this example that in the head tag is starting over here, ending over here. Here you have the title tag, my first HTML. Then you are using the meta tag to show the title, character set, or the style of the page. Meta char set UTF-8. It is the general thing. You don't have to go in depth for this thing. Just keep this thing in mind that head keeps metadata in it, and metadata is the data about the whole HTML document. How to view HTML source? The general example. Suppose if you are interested to see the HTML code of the web page. Suppose you are viewing Google or whatever. Okay, you have to right click, then you have to view page source. Okay, you will get the complete HTML code of this page. This is the complete HTML code of Google, right? Or you can see that this page, right click. Okay, I will do this. This is our main web page. I will right click and see its view page source. This is the whole HTML code that is done behind this web page. So in this way you can access or see, and you will surprise yourself that what type of HTML code is written behind any of the web page. You can even try for Facebook or whatever the web page or site you want to view, and you want to view the code. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching, and we will continue onwards with HTML details onwards. Thanks for watching, and kindly subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz.